In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your voice to Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or looking to add a personal touch to your slides, embedding a voiceover can really enhance your communication. Let's dive into how you can easily add your narration using audio files on your desktop. First off, you'll need to record your voice. For this, you can use a microphone with software on your computer. Programs like Audacity or even the built-in voice recorder app are excellent options. Alternatively, if you find your phone more convenient, you can certainly use that for recording as well. Once you've captured your narration, you'll want to export or save this recording as an MP3 or WAV file. These formats work seamlessly with Google Slides. Next, you'll upload this audio file to Google Drive. Begin by going to your Google Drive and clicking on New. From there, choose File Upload and navigate to select your audio file, whether it's the MP3 or WAV you just recorded. Once uploaded, it's important to check the sharing settings. Right-click on your audio file, select Share, and make sure that anyone who has access to your slides can also hear the audio. Proper sharing settings are crucial, especially if the presentation is meant for a broader audience. Now that your audio file is securely placed in Google Drive, it's time to insert it into your slides presentation. Open the slides presentation you've prepared and head to the particular slide where you want your voice narration to feature. Navigate to Insert and then select Audio. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to pick the audio file you uploaded to Drive. Click on that file and then hit Select. You'll notice a speaker icon appears on your slide, indicating the presence of your audio. Feel free to move this icon around to where it best suits your design. With the audio now a part of your slide, setting how it plays is your next step. Click on the speaker icon and then choose Format Options. Go to Audio Playback, where you can decide when your narration should begin, either on-click or automatically when the slide appears. Additional options include looping the audio if needed, or stopping it when the slide changes to ensure it doesn't carry over. You have the flexibility to hide the speaker icon during your presentation and also adjust the volume so it's just right for your audience. Finally, it's crucial to test your presentation. Click Present to make sure everything runs smoothly and your voice plays correctly with your slides. If you've shared the Drive file publicly, it might be a good idea to test it using a different account or in an incognito window. This helps ensure that others will be able to hear your narration just as perfectly as you do. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively add your voice to Google Slides, bringing your presentations to life and making sure your message is heard loud and clear.